It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Harold Zeigler. For a great experience, we're conveniently located at 11979 Fulton Street East in Lowell, Michigan.